Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to start solution of exercise 9.3 class 11 NCERT. I have taken few questions, or can say majorities of the question. Few questions I have skipped which are easier, so you can solve it in the homework, and if you have any problem you can write in the comment box. I will be definitely solving the question. Now the first question that I am having, find the 20th term and nth term of an GP sequence is given. Now what in GP every time we will be going to do, we will calculate the first term. First term will be here 5 by 2. The common ratio is any term divided by previous term. I am dividing second term by first term. So what I am getting, 5 से 5 cancel, 2 to the 4, 1 by 2. So we have formula for nth term, a r to the power n minus 1. Now if I put the value of a is 5 by 2 and r is 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1, this can be written as nth term. I can further simplify this. If I want to simplify, I can write here an is equal to 5 by 2 into 1 की power n minus 1 is 1, 2 की power n minus 1, base same है तो product of power add होगी, 5 की power 5 upon 2 की power 1 plus n minus 1 cancel out. So we have an equal to 5 upon 2 की power n. This can be right, and so 20th term n equal to 20 put करो, you need to calculate 20th term. So a20 is equal to 5 upon, sorry this is not a, this is 2 की power 20, and this is the answer. Next question is question number 4. The fourth term of an GP is square of the second term, right? So first I will be writing here solution according to question. The fourth term is square of the second term. What is fourth term? AR cube. What is second term? AR whole square. So AR cube is A square R square. So what I will be getting here? A से A cancel, 2R से 1 R cancel, R equal to A. Now what is A here? We have A as first term is minus 3, so R is also minus 3. So seventh term, A R to the power 6 minus 3 into minus 3 की power 6, right? Minus 3 की power 6 कितना होगा? 729. So we have 9 3s are 27, 3 to the 6 or 2 8, 7 3s are 21, 2187. Remain is the answer. Next question is find the value of x for which these numbers are in GP. This is based on the concept. If this is in GP, given minus 2 by 7 x and minus 7 by 2 are in GP, then we'll have a common ratio. So second term by first term is equal to third term by second term. I am cross multiplying. X square equal to minus 7 by 2 into minus 2 by 7. Minus से minus cancel, 2 से 2, 7 से 7. So x square equal to 1. So x equal to what? Plus minus 1. And this is the answer. This is what we need to calculate. Now next question, question number 8. In this question we need to find the sum of n terms. So what we are going to calculate, just pay attention here. We'll find first, every series we'll find first term and common ratio. Common ratio will be what? Any term divided by the previous term. It is already mentioned, it is in GP, so we need not to check it. Check कैसे करते हैं? दोनों ratio निकालना पड़ेगा. But as I know it is in GP, I will directly calculate R. That is root 3. So Sn is, what will be Sn? A. देखो बेटा दो फॉर्मूले होते हैं, आप चाहे इस तरीके से लिखे, कोई भी यूज हो सकता है, राइट? 1 माइनस आर की पावर n अपॉन 1 माइनस आर और आर की पावर n माइनस 1 अपॉन 4, तो आर माइनस 1. नाउ व्हाट इज a? रूट 7. व्हाट इज r? r is what? रूट 3 to the power n minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, and this is the answer. Now next is question number 11. We need to calculate this calculation, right? Whatever is given here. Why I have taken this question? Because of the summation sign. The student generally confused by this thing. This summation means addition of terms from k equal to 1 to k equal to 11. Means what series will be having, what we are going to do to remove this summation. We'll put k equal to 1, we'll get the first term. We'll put k equal to 2, we'll get the second term. We'll put k equal to 3, we'll get the third term, plus dash dash dash. We'll put k equal to 11, we'll get the 11 terms. Now how many times you are having 2 here? 11 terms are there, so 2 is 11 times. अगर आप 2 को, if you will add 2 11 times, it will be 2 into 11 plus, or I can write in steps if you want, is 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to 11 terms, plus 3 की power 1, 3 की power 2, 3 की power 3 up to 3 की power 11. You can see this is in GP, and here the first term is 3, common ratio is 3, and we know the formula of Sn, a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. The first 11 terms, every term is 2, so 2 is 11 times 2 into 11, plus this is a, I am putting in the formula summation, a is 3, r to the power n, 3 की power 11 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So we have 22 plus 3 की power 11 minus 1 upon 2. This is what summation, and this is the answer. Next is the sum of first 3 terms of NGP is 39 by 10. And their product is 1. Find the common ratio. As I have told, whenever 3 terms are given and product is given, we'll let terms a by r, a and ar. Now what is given? Sum is 39 by 10. It is given sum is 39 by 10. So we can write a by r plus a plus ar equal to 39 by 10. This is equation number 1. And product is 1. The product क्या हो जाएगा? A by r into a into ar equal to 1. R से r cancel. A cube equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So if I put a equal to 1 here, I will be having by equation number 1, a is 1 upon r plus 1 plus r equal to 39 by 10. So I will take LCM, 1 plus r square equal to 39 by 10. I will take LCM now, cross multiplication. This 10 plus 10r plus 10r square, 39r. So 10r square minus 29r plus 10 equal to 0. Now we need to factorize the middle term. Product is 100, right? So we can say 25 fours are 10r square minus 25r minus 4r plus 10 equal to 0. So we can take 5r common, 2r minus 5 minus 2, 2r minus 5 equal to 0. So 5r minus 2 and 2r minus 5 equal to 0. So what I will get from this, if I equate it to 0, I will get r equal to 2 by 5. Or if I equate it to 0, I will get r equal to 5 by 2. Now terms. Terms में first condition I am taking a1 and r 5 by 2. So a by r, a and ar, a is 1 upon 5 by 2, 1 into 5 by 2. So 2 by 5, 1 and 5 by 2. And when a is 1, r is 2 by 5, we can say a by r 1 upon 2 by 5, 1 into 2 by 5. So we have 5 by 2, 1 or 2 by 5. Means we'll get the same terms, but order will be reversed, right? So we need to calculate in both ways, and this is the answer. Next is the 4th, 10th and 16th term of an GP are x, y, z. So what is given to us? It is given to us the 4th term is ar cube equal to x, 10th term ar to the power 9 n minus 1 by 16th term ar to the power 15 equal to z. These are 3 terms which are x, y, z. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now we need to prove x comma y comma z in GP. Now if I need to prove x y z in GP, common ratio same होना चाहिए. So I will be calculating y upon x. What is y? A r to the power 9 x, a r to the power 3. This will be r to the power 6. And z upon y, third term by second term is a r to the power 15 upon a r to the power 9. That is also r to the power 6. So common ratio I am getting same. So I can say so x y z in GP. Hence now we need to calculate sum of n terms. This is very special pattern, everyone. Just pay attention here. This is not in GP. If you divide the any term by the previous, because it is not mentioned, you can say why you are checking here. It's not mentioned here in the question. So if you divide the any term by the previous term, you will not get the same ratio, right? So how to calculate these type of question is having a series A 8 8 8 8 8, so it can be 5 5 5 5 5 6 6 6 6 6. So every question will be solved similarly. How to solve this? 8 8 8 8 8. Just pay attention here. Up to n terms. Now what I am doing, I am taking 8 as common. Can I do? Next thing, I am dividing by 9 and multiplying 9. Why I am doing all this? Obviously I know only GP or AP. So I will be doing something by which it can become either GP or AP. So can I write this, the first term 9 as 10 minus 1, second is 100 minus 1, third is 1000 minus 1 plus dash 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 n terms. Now we have 8 upon 9, this 10, 100 is 10 की power 2, 1000 is 10 की power 3 plus dash dash dash. देखो first term लिख दिए मैंने. First term I have written, so up to n terms. Minus 1 is how many times? 1 1 1 n times, so it will be n. If you add 1 n times, you will get n. This is in GP. The first term is 10. The common ratio is 10. So we can have Sn a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. We will have s equal to 8 by 9. A is what? 10. R is 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 minus n. So we have this s is 8 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 9 minus n. This is the answer. Either you multiply, you will get the answer. So this is what I have taken in this video, right? In the next video I will be coming with the remaining question.